Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states, on the day of the battle of Hunain, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched a troop towards Autas, a valley 3 miles away from Makkah Mukarramah. They confronted the enemy, fought with them, prevailed over them, and held some of their women as captive. Some of the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam refrained from practicing coitus with them because they were married and their husbands were polytheists. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed this verse. Translation: and forbidden to you are the women having husbands, saves the women of infidels, who come in your possession. Surah Al-Nisa, verse 24. They are lawful for you after the completion of the prescribed waiting period. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3593.